In this short video, we're going to show how to use Automator and Calendar to automatically enable and disable the wireless interface. So open the Automator app using Spotlight Search Command Space. And then we make a new automation task and we select the calendar event task or calendar alarm. And then we search for run shell script and we drag it across to the action window. And in there, which I will paste in the description, is the command we want to run. And on this MacBook, the wireless interface is EN0, but on older Macs, it might be EN1. So to test that it's working, we want to run it. I want to see that the wireless adapter goes off. Well, this is going to be an on script or an on event, so we want to make sure that that happens. You can see that action happening there. Right, so we save this and name it something useful. Wireless adapter on, for example. We save it and it'll appear in our calendar at this time. So we want to make sure that the alarm or the event runs in the morning, 7 o'clock for example, and we want this event to happen every day. I want to repeat it until Christmas, for example. So you can see it's repeating. Although we've made the on event, let's do the off event. Bring up Automator again. You can also use Shift Tab or Command Tab and make a new event, a new alarm, another calendar alarm. I want to run shell script. Drag it across and paste in the off command. And save it. Name it something useful, like adapter off. This is going to happen straight now, so the wireless will go off, as you can see up there. And we want to change this to only run on work days, say at 11 o'clock at night. And we would like to repeat this task every workday. Go to custom, select the days, Monday through Friday. And then, okay, you'll see it repeat. And we want to end the repetition, let's say the day before Christmas Day, the 24th. That's Christmas Eve. Christmas in Norway. And there you have it. You can look at the month overview and you'll see the tasks starting and ending where they should be. Well, thanks for watching. That was it. I hope you liked the short instructional video, and if you like it, press like. And that's it, I suppose.